Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a handy tip for Gmail users on PC. If you've ever needed to find a specific phrase in your emails, you're in the right place. With this new update, searching for that elusive message has never been easier. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Log in using your credentials, and you'll be greeted by your inbox. Once you're in, take a look at the search bar at the top of the page. You'll notice a little filter icon. Click on that. This will open up a series of options that will help narrow down your search. Now find the field labeled "Has the words." This is where the magic happens. Type in the specific phrase or keywords you're looking for. For instance, if you're searching for an email about a project update, just type in "project update." After you've input your phrase, it's time to see the results. Tap the search button and watch as Gmail filters through your emails to find exactly what you need. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've maximized your email searching efficiency. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Gmail hacks. Happy emailing!